with the abolishment of these taxes, if you don't introduce new taxes, you will definitely have a gap to fill. And so one definitely expected government to come up with a plan. The Ghana Revenue Authority Tax Refund Account is meant for the Revenue Authority to actually retain or conserve up to 6% of the taxes it collects from the taxpayers in Ghana, and use that money to pay any taxpayer that legitimately or satisfactorily claims that it has overpaid taxes. What the Revenue Authority has reported to the minister as he presented to the Parliament of Ghana is that out of the 6% revenue that is retained, only 43% is actually utilized specifically for tax refunds. The remaining 57% is not used for tax refund. As a result of that, government is actually going to reduce the 6% to 4% so that the 2%, which is in excess of 3 billion, will be used to cover up the gap or the shortfall that will be seen in tax revenue going forward. I think that's a master stroke for the simple reason that ordinarily when there are cuts or abolishment of taxes on one income stream or a payment, you may find out that there will be introduction of new taxes on something new. I must say that it has some unintended consequence. And the unintended consequence may be that given the number of tax audit assessment disputes that are pending before GRA itself, that are pending before the Independent Tax Appeals Board and in the various courts of judicature in Ghana and the international tax arbitration centers, if all those or most of those pending disputes go against government, government may find it difficult to immediately return monies that these taxpayers have paid. So I would urge government to actually monitor how that account is performing, and if it's getting into the red, then the Minister of Finance, I believe with recommendation from the Revenue Authority and its board, would have to consider upping the cap a bit. And with that also, that will also mean we have to find some other money to continue to plug the gap. Thank you very much.